Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. Guys, I'm back with another job lead. Coca-Cola, the Coca-Cola company is currently hiring, guys. So come and check out at www.coca-colacompany.com. I'll put the link in this description of this video so you'll be able to come and click on Coca-Cola Company. So their company has been around for 136 plus years of they say of refreshing the world. The Coca-Cola company has been refreshing the world and making a difference for over 136 years. Here are all of the brands for Coca-Cola. They have over 200 plus brands worldwide. It says we've established a portfolio of drinks that are best positioned to grow in an ever-changing marketplace. They have from sparkling hydration, coffee, tea, juices, dairy, and alcohol. Sustainability, our planet matters. Our purpose is to refresh the world and make a difference. Social, our planet matters. They have diversity in people and communities, human rights, Coca-Cola Foundation, partnerships, supply diversity, sports, entertainment. They have careers. The careers that Coca-Cola have here is as we believe working at the Coca-Cola company is an opportunity to build a meaningful career while helping us make a real difference on a global scale. So they have the culture, benefits, career development, early career, experienced professionals, military, accessible workplace. This is their hiring process. If you want to click on how the application process works, the interviews, the offers, you have Coca-Cola company jobs, Coca-Cola system jobs. Say that fast 5 times. So they have the media center here, so you can come through and click here. So I just wanted to share with you that the Coca-Cola company is hiring. They believe in the power of human potential, and you can work with them. You can click on how to explore their jobs by clicking on here. Life at Coca-Cola. We built a company and a culture that reflects the world that they serve. They have the career area that fits you. Find a career that fits. And the hiring process, we are excited to have you explore career opportunities with us and look forward to guiding you through our hiring process. And they have different like related content. So you would just come click on the careers, click on which career tab you want to click on, and you'll be able to see what jobs are open far as remote. When I was clicking on, I saw over 300 jobs open. But as you can see, they have so many different brands to choose from. That you could possibly work for the Coca-Cola company, and who knows which particular brand you'll be working on. So super excited, guys, to whoever gets one of these roles, guys. I am just excited for you guys, sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, make it an amazing day for someone else, guys. I appreciate you guys always liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much for always watching. You guys are the best. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.